ImportError, no module named Tkinter. For some reason, I can't use the Tkinter or Tkinter module after running the following command in the Python shell. Or, I got this error. Modula not founderer, no module named Tkinter. Or, modula not founderer, no module named Tkinter. What could be the reason for and how can we solve it?
You probably need to install it using something similar to the following. For Ubuntu or other distros with apt. For Fedora. You can also mention a Python version number like this. Finally, import Tkinter for Python 3 or Tkinter for Python 2 or choose at runtime based on the version number of the Python interpreter for compatibility with both.
As you are using Python 3, the module has been renamed to Tkinter, as stated in the documentation. Note Tkinter has been renamed to Tkinter in Python 3. The 2 to 3 tool will automatically adapt imports when converting your sources to Python 3.
For Windows, make sure to check in the Python install the optional feature tcl/tk and idle. Otherwise you get. If Python is already installed without this optional feature, you need to amend the installation by launching again the Python installer and selecting Modify. NB, you won't be able to pip install Tkinter, don't bother trying.
To install the Tkinter on popular Linux distros. Debian Ubuntu. Fedora. Arch. RHEL CentOS 6 CentOS 7. OpenSUSE.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.